And the race is on. Fire Lady Sweet Julian on the outside. Nice and easy. Dayang-dayang through Amigo and Buenas Hope. Fire Lady, Violent can have followed by Sweet Julian. Nice and easy, moving up by Drell. Through Amigo is racing forward by some 4 lengths alongside is Dayang and Buenas Hope. Passing the half-mile post, nice and easy. Fire Lady firing out for the lead. And watching in third position is Sweet Julian. Through Amigo down on the inside together with Dayang. Rounding the far turn, nice and easy by a long nose, followed by Fire Lady. Sweet Julian is on the outside. And at a far turn, it's nice and easy, and Fire Lady and Sweet Julian is racing in third from the outside as they race the final corner. Nice and easy, Fire Lady. Sweet Julian is on the outside. Fire Lady by a length and a half. Nice and easy down on the inside, and Sweet Julian on the further outside. Fire Lady, nice and easy. Sweet Julian on the outside. Fire Lady, Sweet Julian on the outside. But still Fire Lady, nice and easy. And finally, Fire Lady, nice and easy. Sweet Julian, Dayang, Buenas Hope, and True Amigo.
4-5.